Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. Go ahead to your Instagram app. Now tap on the profile icon that appears on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then go ahead to the top right corner and tap on the three-barred menu. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Go ahead to Account Center. Now under Account Center, you'll be able to see Personal Details. Tap on it. And under Personal Details, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now select the account which you'd like to deactivate or delete. In this case, deactivate, so tap on your Instagram account. Now make sure that deactivate account option is selected and tap on continue. Enter your password to your Instagram account, tap on continue. Now select the reason why you're deactivating your Instagram account and scroll down, tap on continue. Tap on deactivate account. Now remember to reactivate your account. It's easy. You simply have to enter your login credentials and your account will be reactivated on its own. And this is how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below and thanks for watching.